Good day, sir, madam. I am Mary Ann Borer Omian. I was born on June 14, 1986, and I am 38 years old. I am married and blessed with one child. My highest educational attainment is hotel and restaurant management graduate. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years and have served one couple and one child. And I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 4 years and I've served one couple and two children. I chose this job because it is high salary than to apply my course in the Philippines. If the parents of my employer always finding mistake, I will say that I will do my best to improve my work. The most important thing to take care of the children is to prepare the breakfast on time, check if their clothes is wet, and keep them safe. If only me and the baby left in the house, I attend the baby first, but the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, I can do my household chores. The employer won't regret to choose me because I am hardworking person, trustworthy, and can easily learn. And I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, sir, madam.